Hey, I'm Dustin, the CEO and founder of BriteCo, and today I'm going to talk a bit about how to clean your fine watch. So we have a watch here. There's a couple different ways that you can clean your watch. One is with a simple cloth, and you can get these online, watch cleaning cloths. The one thing you want to be really careful of is you don't want to get a polishing cloth. There are certain cloths that actually have polishing material, and you do not want to do that. It will potentially ruin the finish on your watch. So you're going to want to make sure that it's a simple, dry cloth that is specifically made for watches or cleaning watches. A lot of times you can get them directly from a jeweler or online, but make sure it is not a polishing cloth. And so the simple way to do it, and this is just sort of a way to get just basic surface level dirt and things like that off of the watch, is you just take a cloth and you can basically just give it a nice wipe down. I mean, this will remove all kind of surface level dirt and other things off of the watch. It'll also clean the crystal if your crystal has smudges on it. So that's one way. I mean, that's a really simple way to do it. I will use a cleaning cloth generally once every couple days just to clean, give it a quick clean. The other way to do it is you can actually take some warm water and some regular dish soap. And this is a little bit more, I mean, obviously it's a wet wash, but it's a little bit more in depth. You'll also need a soft brush. A lot of times a soft toothbrush will work. There are other types of brushes you can get, but it's really important to make sure that the bristles are soft and not hard. What would happen is if you used too hard of a brush, it will actually could scratch the watch or ruin the finish of your watch. So one thing that you'll definitely want to do, because you're working with some water, is you want to make sure that your crown, if it's a screw down crown, you want to make sure that the crown is screwed down just so you're not getting water into the watch. So what you're going to want to do, it's very simple, is you make a little wash here, you put some of the dish soap in, get it soapy, regular paper towel, and you'll just want to start giving the watch a rinse. And so you can do this for as long as you want. You know, focus on areas that are dirtier than others. Oh, one thing for sure is you want to open up. So in the clasp will retain a lot of dirt. So you want to make sure you get really in the clasp, and I like to give it, after I sort of give it a good scrub, put it in the wash, and then a good dry. Basically, that is all. And so really all you need for kind of a wet wash is dish soap, warm water, soft brush.